Welcome to another unboxing. Let's see what we have today. Alright, it's a battery IP camera, and you can use the QR code to figure out whether you want to buy it or not. And let's see what's inside the package. We have the instruction manual, and we have a teeny tiny camera here that has its own power charger, USB cable, and looks like we also have the camera itself and some kind of clip system with not a magnet, but maybe it is a magnet. No, it isn't. I wouldn't know about it anyway. But I guess this is a sticker, so you can attach it to your dashboard, and it should allow you to sort of rotate it to some extent, or maybe not. Seems to be fixed. Anyhow, this is the camera itself, and you can put an SD card in there and turn it on and off through there, and that's all. Alright, so hope you guys liked this video, and I will see you in the next one.